In this video, we'll be talking about the torch fire button that is available within the OptimumCNC plasma cutting software. This button allows the operator to quickly turn the plasma torch on or off, depending on its current state, and it is available within the Advanced tab of OptimumCNC. So if we pop open the Advanced tab, it is available at the bottom right here. If we turn the torch on, the button will turn red, and if we turn it off, the button will turn gray again. So the upper limit of the OptimumCNC plasma cutting system for the Z-axis is considered to be 0. So if we try to go past that, the system will essentially prevent us from doing that, because otherwise we'll be hitting that upper limit of our machine. So anything that's close to this upper limit is considered to be safe. However, we don't want to turn the torch on very close to the sheet metal. So let's say we are somewhat close to the upper limit within this safe zone. We turn the torch fire button on. We can see that the plasma output in diagnostics is toggled on or off. In this case, it's output number 11. However, there is no movement for the Z-axis. If we, however, go down closer to the sheet metal, let's say we go down perhaps 2 inches to negative 2.2, and we try to turn the torch fire button on, the system will first raise the torch up to a safe height, and only then will it turn output 11, or whatever the plasma output is in your system, on. Again, this is done for safety reasons. Thank you for watching.